Hello, my name's Ellie. Welcome to my channel, and we're going to be testing this very strange thing today. This is the Sachajuan hair cleansing cream, and I am kind of confused on what it's supposed to do. I know it's basically supposed to be the shampoo, but I don't know if you're supposed to use conditioner with it or not. It's supposed to normalize your hair into a new non-traditional technique. It doesn't lather, but you're supposed to massage it into your scalp for a minute and then rinse it through your hair so it distributes, and then you're done. It says it can take up to a week to adjust, and I can't quite tell from the reviews or the online section whether you're supposed to use conditioner with it. And I think that's going to be a big test of whether or not I like it. So we're going to try it the first day without conditioner and just use it as it is, because a lot of these new washing things are less about removing and replacing with conditioner and more about distributing your hair oil throughout so you don't need conditioner, which is my best guess about what this is supposed to do. But if it's absolutely horrible, a lot of the people in the reviews said they had enough product to use it multiple times. So we're gonna see what I can do with it and attempt to wash my hair twice with this. So if it goes badly today, yeah. It says they didn't need to use a lot. It's just, I don't know. But I want to try it because it's a big sample and it's weird, so we're gonna see what happens. This is a online only product that I got through, you can get through Sephora. I got a sample through Sephora, and it's currently sold out, but a lot of the ingredients were pretty popular and positive, so we'll find out what happens. I'll see you guys in a bit. Immediately out of shower thoughts. It took more to distribute along my scalp than I would have liked, especially because a lot of them said they didn't take them that much to use, and I have thin hair, so I don't know if they're not using the right amount or what, but it did leave my roots really nice, and they do feel clean. I don't know about my tips because I didn't use conditioner, and generally I use conditioner every day. Even if I'm not shampooing it, I put conditioner in my hair just kind of to deal with the dryness of having bleached my hair so much and to detangle it. So we have to find out if this is going to tangle when I try to put my other products in it. So we'll check in then. Hi guys. So it's dried. I think I like it. I'm not sure I'm gonna buy it because it's like $42 for this, but my hair does feel clean. My roots have a little extra fluff. I put in all my normal conditioning, detangling stuff, so the bottoms feel good. They could be a little softer, but I also don't know if you're supposed to use a conditioner with it. So since it worked pretty well this way, I'm just going to use it every other day until it runs out, so I can get an estimate of how much I use, and then I can calculate that into how much comes in the full size and see how long that would last me, and I will come back with that information for you guys. See you later. Oh no. Yep. Hi guys. So, I finished this little packet today. I got 2 uses out of it, and so this is 0.85 ounces. That's great. 0.85 ounces in this little packet. I got 2 uses. The full-size product is 16.9 ounces, so I did some little math. I would get somewhere between 30 and 39 uses out of it if I used the same amount, which there's a pump on it, so in theory you could, you know, moderate your amount and get all of it out if you really tried. And if I only wash my hair every other day, that would last me about 2 months. I'm sorry. I don't know if you can see. My cat is messing around over there like a dick. So 2 months of usage if you're washing your hair every other day and using this about the amount I did, which my hair's thin, so you might need more to cover your scalp and to really saturate the nastiness off your roots. So it's less horrible when you think about it as like 40 something dollars for 2 months use, but I just bought some shampoo that I like, and it's toning, and I need that because my hair is, bleached and tends to go a little brassy. So I feel less ridiculous about this product, but I don't think it's something I'm gonna buy. If you're looking for something, you're trying to do it, it did work. I'm also a little sassy that it says it can take up to a week for your hair to adjust, and they really didn't put that much product in there. It looked like they put a ton of product in there, but it's really just not that much. And the way they wanted you to open it up, there's a seam on the back, they want you to just like crack it down there. So that'd be one use. I trimmed the corner because I wanted to see how much I could actually get out of it. But yeah, I think it's just not for me. If you are already into doing more high-end products and you're looking to switch down to a one product kind of routine, might be good. Try it out. But not for me. So, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you later.